and the following night magistrate numbers: 751-980, 751-981, 751-982, 751-983, and 751-984. In this case, no PSI was prepared. Defense counsel waived PSI. The court reset it to give parties a chance to have witnesses present if they wanted to have witnesses present. There was no objection to the court requesting the defendant's criminal history. Is that correct, counsel?
That is correct. You actually gave us the option of a PSA or no fault. We're going to opt to go to a bar.
All right. So with regards to the cases that are being taken into consideration, were those offenses alleged to have been committed on different dates?
Some will represent the same, so some are actually not being taken into consideration as United States.
All right, defense.
Judge, may I ask my client some questions?
Can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Jerry Tyler,
How old are you?
30.
What kind of education do you have?
I have a bachelor's degree in biology and a double minor in mathematics and chemistry.
Okay. What's your work?
I work for myself and as well as through different laboratories and medical sales companies here. And that's kind of what I specialize in.
You're in town, okay?
Yes.
Have you lived here when you left?
No, sir. I came to San Antonio in 2015 to attend a master's degree program and as well as work.
Did you ever leave San
I left San Antonio for 1 year. I went to Waco, Texas for 1 year.
When did you return?
I when I returned this one right about December of 2023.
About a year ago?
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you married?
Yes, sir.
You went to Waco with your wife, Louise?
She did.
Do you have any children?
I had a daughter.